we'll show how to buy shares of Chapters Group AG, a company in the book retail and publishing sector listed on Xetra under the ticker CHG.DE. This is an educational walkthrough only and not financial advice. Investing carries risk. To buy Chapters, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify the account with an identity document and add funds before placing trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CHG.DE to locate the correct listing. Choose the result that clearly references Chapters Group AG on Xetra. On the asset page, review basic company details and the price chart to confirm you have the right stock. Make sure the exchange shows Xetra and the ticker CHG.DE before proceeding. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to spend, then check order type and fees and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, the Chapters position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the platform used in this guide.